Everyone, this is Deepjyoti Das. Let's start with how to install this Android Studio IDE in your desktop. Okay, so let's begin. Open any browser. I am currently using Microsoft Edge. Okay, search Android Studio. Okay, then it will be going to redirect to a site. IntelliJ developers team are developing this. Okay, so this is the link, and from here you will get the latest Android Studio IDE. Okay, just click on it. You have to accept one license agreement, then you are going to the download will going to start. Okay, size is around 1.5 GB. So I have already installed in my actually I have already installed this setup in my laptop, so I am going to click on download later. So this is the link, and let's open it and discuss tools we need to develop Android. The basics tool we need to develop an Android app are as follows. Let's start. Okay, actually my one project is one ITBus project. It is loading. Okay, here SDK manager. So here you can see there are so many versions of Android, this and that. Again, I am telling, don't get confused with these too many options. Okay, as you can see there are lots and lots of options. Just you need any one of this version. Okay, so what we need, any one of the Android version for the emulator. If you are running emulator in your IDE, you need one of the version. If you are running directly in your phone, you need to enable the developer option in your phone. Then you have to allow the USB debugging, then you can do this. But if you don't have any phone, you can download one Android image file from here. Now if I download the Android any Android version, what I will get? Everything. Okay, let me go here directly. Okay, here you can see just if you don't have any mobile phone, just download any one of this. Okay, now we have to install the SDK build tools. It is inbuilt in it is inbuilt in some Android version only. If you are not getting in your Android version, just click on SDK tools, install the Android SDK build tools. Okay, then NDK is an optional, but you can install it. Android SDK important. Okay, CMake important. Android emulator to run your app on your emulator. Android hypervisor for that only. SDK platform tool, very important. Repository, Play APK expansion library, very important. Instant development SDK, very important. Licensing library, very important. Play service, repository, web USB driver, web driver, and this is optional, and this is also optional. Okay, so I have installed some extra tools, but you need minimum these tools to run a basic to moderate level of Android app in your phone. Or so these tools you have to install in your laptop. Okay, and from here you can see a lots of options are there. You have to install only one version of Android. Now after this tools, you need to upgrade the AGP. You show you that uh, just received an update. Just run this selected steps, then refresh it. It's going to update your ADP. Now another, if you have integrated Firebase also, you can use it. And tools are very important. These are auto built in the IDE, so you don't need any other tools to install these things. So these are the tools. Now here, this is the project's file structure. From this section you can access the folder and file. For example, this is a Java file. You can access it through, when you click on the file, it will going to open it from here. You can edit the code. Here the notification panel, Gradle panel, device manager panel, the running devices panel, and the agent. Okay, so this is the settings option. From here also you can go to the setting. This this is my account, this may be your account. And how to run a Android app, we will see. Just we have to click on this, but remember, to publish an Android app on Play Store we need key store and some licensing issue. That is extra part of Android app. And before publishing Play Store, we need to enhance the UI, and we must have one beautiful logo to publish on Play Store. So in this course we will going to learn the basics to advanced Android app development. Also we will going to see how to publish a Android app on Play Store. I have a developer account in Play Store, so I will show how to publish an Android app in Play Store. So this much only. Thank you.